make nice delicious bundiya laddu, so let's begin. 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of melted ghee, and water required. Firstly, we're just going to sieve our besan flour to get rid of all those lumps so our batter is nice and smooth. Once we've got it all nice and smooth, we're going to gradually add in our water, not all of it at once, and combined into a runny consistency. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It should be like a medium runny consistency, like this. Adding a dash of water. Should be like this. Then you're going to add in your ghee. Now we're going to rest our bundiya mixture for half an hour. Now the ingredients for the sugar syrup is 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So in a pot, we're going to pour in our sugar and our water and give it a quick stir and let that come to a boil. Once it came to a boil, we're going to add in our cardamom powder. The cardamom powder is for a little extra flavour. I'm stirring that in to spread it around. And then turn off your flame and leave it at the side. Make sure you cover it. After half an hour, we're just going to give our mixture a quick mix. Now we're going onto the next step. So we're heating our oil till it's piping hot and turned it to a medium flame, and then you need like a spoon with holes in or something where you can push the mixture through. And then you're going to just get a spoonful of the mixture and let that go through. Let them go light golden brown. And then you could drain out the oil and take them out. So we've done the bundiya. Now we're going to heat up the sugar syrup a tiny bit because it's cooled down a bit. And then just give that a quick stir, get that moving. And then you're going to add in your bundiya. And let that soak in the sugar syrup. Going to mix the sugar syrup around with the bundiya so it spreads everywhere. So once you've got it soaked into the sugar syrup, we're going to cover it and leave the flame off for 10 minutes. We're going to be making our bundiya laddus whilst it's still warm. so it sticks together. So you're going to get a handful or how much you want and then squeeze it into a red Laddu shape. So we got it to the shape. Now we're just garnishing with a little pistachio to add a little colour. You don't have to do this. And if you want to make your bundiya laddus colourful, before frying your mixture that you make, your runny mixture, you can add any coloured food colouring, so pink, red, yellow, orange, any colour you want to make it colourful. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!